Obesity paradox is that some persons with established diseases of heart and blood vessels, including high blood pressure, heart failure, disease of blood vessels of the heart, and other blood vessels, have better outcome if they are overweight or obese. Other terms to mean similar outcome are fat but fit and metabolically healthy obesity. Though this concept is not universally accepted, there are occasional persons belonging to such a category. Metabolically healthy obesity is often seen in younger age in those with higher physical activity, better nutritional quality, and low levels of fat in the internal organs. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and post your valuable comment below this video.